Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to use threads from Instagram. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is just simply make sure that you have install your Instagram application, and also you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Instagram. To do that, you have to go to Google Play Store, type Instagram, and then if you see the green button on the right side that says update, you have to update. So let's launch your Instagram application. So this is what Instagram looks like if you don't have one. Okay, you can see here the newsfeed, different news and whatsoever. Okay, so to proceed with our tutorial with threads, all you have to do is to simply look for your profile. So that is next to this real option here or icon here. Okay, tap this profile icon or picture icon, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now you're on your profile. Tap this three lines at the top right corner, and then below settings and privacy, you should see threads. Now, if you don't see the feature or option here, even if you updated your Instagram, it's okay. Don't worry about that. All you have to do is just simply go to your Google Play Store. Okay, and then look for threads. Okay, you just have to search this one. Okay, type threads, and then this one will pop up or show up. Okay, so you must be specific threads on Instagram. Tap install and wait for a couple of minutes or seconds, I guess. And then once done, all you have to do is to click open. So this is what it looks like. It will take you directly to your Instagram application. Okay, not your account, but your application. And then here you just have to, switch accounts if you want. But if you want to use your current account, then you can just simply proceed. Okay, tap your account, your current account on Instagram. Get ready for threads as it is processing. So you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then here it is, confirm it's you by phone number or email. Okay. Now you have to go to your email address and type the code or the 6-digit code that they have sent to your email account. Okay, so once done, you just have to proceed or continue. And then here it is. This is your profile in threads. So you have your Instagram bio. You can just type anything here. Okay, and for the link, you can add link if you want, or actually you can import all of your information from Instagram. You just have to tap this import from Instagram, then automatically your information there will be imported here. But if you don't, it's okay. You can just simply type your bio. You can easily add link if you want. For example, everything is here. But if you want to put or type something more catchy, then everything is up to you. You can add link here, or you can just skip and click continue. Now we have here your privacy can be different on threads and Instagram. So if you prefer to set up public profile here and your Instagram is private, it doesn't matter. Okay, so set to public or private if you want. Now you can follow all you have followed in Instagram, or you can skip this one. Okay, now how Thread works, we have here powered by Instagram. Thread is a part of Instagram platform. We will use your threads and Instagram information, to personalize ads and whatsoever. The fee diverse, and we have also here your data. Actually, you can just simply read to know more about how Threads works. Okay, so once you have your idea or information and you want to join threads, you just have to tap this join threads and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so in order to see the result or the threads, you just have to refresh this one. And then here it is. So this is what threads look like. And as you can see, you just have to scroll down to see more threads or posts from other people. Okay, so you just have to scroll down if you want to explore, and you can see here famous people, not famous people, people you have followed, people you have not followed, and you can go to search and follow some popular people, or you just have to search the name of the person you want to follow. Beside search bar, you can see here thread. Okay, so in order to post new thread, you just have to type, or you can even add or import an image or file from your gallery. Okay, so here you can see notifications, all, you can see your replies, you can see mentions. If you tap this heart icon here, verified. Okay, and then once you tap this person icon here, you can see your profile. You can tap edit profile if you want to edit some information about your profile. Okay, and then if you exit, tap X. So the two lines at the top right corner is your settings. You can just simply adjust and edit everything here: notifications, private, account, language, help, and about. Okay, so that's it. Now you can go back, and let's just say you wanted to search someone and you want to follow. For example, I want to follow Instagram on threads. Okay, tap this one here. And as you can see, if I followed Instagram on my Instagram account, that doesn't mean that I also followed Instagram on my threads. So I need to follow, tap follow, and you can see I am now following Instagram. Okay. Now, if you want to reply, if I want to like, if I want to share, the options are here. Okay. So heart, reply, repost, and share. So I can share, I can add this to my story, tweet, copy link, and share via and send to any other social media platform. Okay, so that's it. And then after that, here is the reply, or you can see replies here. You tap replies and you can see the reply. Your reply, if someone replied to your post, something like that. Okay, and then after that, you can go back, and let's just say you wanted to post a new thread. So you just have to tap the thread icon and type here, let's just say my first thread. If you want to add a file from your gallery, you just have to tap this clip icon there. But of course, you have to allow the access. Okay, so let's just say you wanted to post a picture, then import a picture before you post your new thread. Go to your profile to see your first ever posted thread. Like if you want, comment if you want, share, and repost if you want. Now, if you want to post a video, it's also possible. You just have to click this one, type something, and then tap this paperclip here, and then import the files. Of course, they will ask allow to access. Click allow. Okay, then it will take you directly to your gallery. Import the picture, import the video. It's okay, and then click post. As easy as that. So actually, that's how easy it is to use a thread. So I'd really hope that you find it very interesting and add this to your Instagram. And actually, it's also same thing with other social media platform that you can tag someone, you can retweet, you can post, you can comment, you can share. So now if you want to change something on your information, like what I have mentioned earlier, you can tap this two lines here and then scroll. As you can see, we have here privacy. If you want to remain private, you can just turn this one on. Notifications, privacy, account, personal information. You can just edit everything here. Okay, so for language, you can change your language. If you are living in Asia or in other part of the world, you can change your language help. If you want to report a problem or ask for a help about and log out. So that's it. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.